Good day everybody. I'm going to show you how to use your cell phone's camera to record videos in OBS or live stream, whichever you want to do. I'm going to use a few apps to show you how to do it. Now I'm using Xbox game bar to record this video. It's a screen capture program that's built into Windows, and it records the whole screen. I couldn't get OBS to do this. I could only record Windows. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Anyway, Xbox game bar works fine. Now the first thing you'll need to do, of course, is to run the apps. I've run now iVcam's app, as well as Irian webcam and Droid cam. First I'm going to show you Droid cam. You need to go and run the app which you've installed from your Play Store. You have to run it on your phone, the moment you've done that, you can go to Droid cam and you just click on the background, and there you need to choose which way you want to connect. The best is to use USB, so click on USB and then click refresh. Then your phone should show up there and you just say start. Okay, and there we go, it's running. Only problem with Droid cam is by default it's only running 4:3. I couldn't get it running at 16:9. I've tried everything. Even if you set it to that, you don't get it. If you increase the resolution, you need to reboot your computer as well. Okay, now to add it in OBS is fairly simple. You just go to video capture device. You can change the name if you wanted to. Choose your source. You can see there are many. Choose the source and say OK. You can increase the size here also. Now what you need to do is that is just the video. You need to add audio as well, and with Droid cam you can do that. You just need to go and select your audio. The advantage of this is that you are using the cell phone's microphone, which is usually a lot better than the laptop's microphone. But then of course you've got these black bars on the side, but this is quite useful if you wanted to have a video camera add in somewhere on a screen, and then it doesn't really matter what the aspect ratio is. Okay, I'm going to remove this now, as well as the audio, and I'm closing Droid cam on my cell phone as well, and then I want to use Irian cam. Now you can see it's connected. Now this one uses, I'm not sure if it can work through the USB. I have it connected on the USB, but usually they work via Wi-Fi. I'm going to add it here, video capture device, and I'm going to choose Irian webcam. If you can have many different cameras, including IP cameras. Okay, and it's working. But now the audio is a bit more tricky and it's a problem. What you can do here is to use your internal microphone, which is the default, or you can add a professional external microphone. And I've found that there's not really a lag. Even now, the video quality is not too bad compared. I don't see a lag there where I'm dropping milliseconds or whatever, but I might be wrong. I'm not closely looking at that. The resolution is good, the aspect ratio is correct, and that you can do. The other program, iVcam, does exactly the same as Irian cam. The only thing is that it's got a watermark here, and to get rid of that watermark will cost you about 200 Rand, which is not necessary with Irian cam. So these two cameras I found to be the best. Maybe you can try others. You can use IP cam as well. The video quality is worse, unfortunately. So I cannot recommend it, but the advantage of IP cam is, of course, you can use cameras from any other place. You can have a cell phone in another city if you want it and connect it in via OBS, because you can reuse the IP. It's a bit more complicated to install and get going, but I've done it. So if you need information on how to do it, just let me know. Enjoy the day further.